Welcome to Praveen Tutorials. This is Deepak. In the previous class, we discussed about factor theorem. Today, we will discuss how to find the factors for that particular polynomial. We already know that a polynomial contains at most the number of factors as the degree it possesses. Okay. So, we will take a small example. That means, first of all, we will take a general form of factorizing a polynomial. Fx is equal to Fx is a polynomial. This can be factorized as k into x minus a1 into x minus a2 into so on. We can find the value of k by substituting any number other than a1, a2 in the place of x, so that we can find the value of k. Okay. So that I will take one example, so that it will give you more clarity. Okay. I'll take one example. Fx is equal to x cube plus 13x squared plus 31x minus 45. Now take the factors for the constant. The factors are 1, 3, 5, 9, 45. We can take this plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus. Now we have to make a trials. Okay. First of all, we'll take x is equal to f of 1. F of 1 means the factor will be x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. In place of x, I am taking 1. 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square plus 31 into 1 minus 45. 1 cube is 1. Plus 13 plus 13 plus 31 minus 45. Adding all this, 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 plus 31 is 45. 45 minus 45 is equal to 0. So, x plus 1 is one of the factor. So, we found one factor. We need to find two more factors. So, for that we have to make some more trials. By taking x is equal to minus 1, okay, f of minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 31 into minus 1 minus 45. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 plus 13 minus 31 minus 45. This cannot be equal to 0, you can say, because 1 plus 32 plus 45. Both terms are not equal. If positive, if we get a negative and a positive sign terms, same terms with opposite signs, then it becomes 0. Here, this cannot be equal to 0. So, we can say that x plus 1, f of minus 1 means x plus 1 is not a factor. So, we got one factor. Here, we will learn the factors. X minus 1 is one of the factor. Okay. X plus 1 is not a factor. Similarly, f of 3, okay, the third factor, f of 3 cube plus 13 into 3 square plus 31 into 3 minus 45. 3 cube is 27 plus 13 9s are 144 plus 3 1s are 3 3s are 9 minus 45. This is also not equal to 0. No need to make any calculations. Simply you can say that adding all these is not equal to 45. Okay. So why to add? By seeing itself, you can say that it is not equal to 0. Okay. So similarly, okay, f of minus 3 is also not a factor, because minus 3 whole cube plus 13 into minus 3 whole square plus 31 into minus 3 minus 45 minus 27 plus 144 minus 3 1s are 3 3s are 9 minus 45. Add all these negative numbers, minus 27 minus 93 minus 45. Okay, 5 plus 3 15 1. Oh, so here the last digit you can see, here it is 4 and here it is 5. It is not equal to 144. Simply you can say 9, 10, 12, 16. Minus 165 minus plus 144 cannot be equal to 0. So this is also not a factor. Okay. So we have to make another try. So we got only one factor, that is x minus 1. Okay. Now we will take f of 5 or f of minus 5. First we will take first negative value. Okay. 5 cube minus 5 whole cube plus 13 into minus 5 whole square plus 31 into minus 5 minus 45. Minus 125 plus 25 into 13. 35 is 65. That gives it 26. 26 plus 6, 32. So plus 30, 325. Minus 5 ones are 5, that is a 50. Minus 45. Let us add all these negative values. See whether it is equal to 325 or not. Minus 125. Minus 125. Minus 45. Okay, add 51. Okay. 6 plus 4, 10, 12, 1, 3, yes. Minus 325 plus 325 equal to 0. So, here we kept x is equal to minus 5. That means x plus 5 is one of the factors. So, we got only two factors. Okay. Now, we will take f of minus 9. First of all, we will take the negative numbers. After that, we will consider the positive numbers. F of minus 9. Minus 9 whole cube plus 13 into minus 9 whole square plus 31 into minus 9 minus 45. Minus 9 whole square minus 729 plus 81 into 30. 9 9s are 81, 3 31s are 30. 38s are 104, 105. 1053 minus 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 50 minus 45. Okay. Minus 729 minus 153 minus 45. 1270 minus 45 minus 153. See, 9 ones are 9. Okay, 9 ones are 9 3s are 27. Okay. Here I wrote wrong. Okay, minus 729. Okay, so minus 729 minus 729 279 minus 45. Okay, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 23 2, 7 plus 4 11, 15 5 1 9 8 9. Yes. Minus 1053 plus 1053 equal to 0. So we got one more factor. By keeping x is equal to 1, that means x plus 9 is one of the factor. So here we can write it as x cube is equal to 13 x cube plus 13 x square plus 31x minus 45 is equal to k into, what are the factors? X minus 1, x plus 5, x plus 9. Now how to find the value of k? Just keep x is equal to 0. That means we have to substitute any value in place of x other than 1, 5, 1, 5, 9. So we have to take x is equal to 0 or something else. Okay, any value other than those values. Okay, so here 0 cube plus 13 into 0 square plus 31 into 0 minus 45 is equal to k into minus 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1 plus 5 plus 9. That becomes minus 45k is equal to minus 45. K is equal to minus 45 by minus 45, which is equal to 1. So we can write it as fx is equal to x plus minus 1 into x plus 5 into x plus 9. So 3 factors. We got the 3 factors. Like that we have to find the factors of a given polynomial. Okay. Hope you understood this. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Praveen. Thank you.